Hi, this is Bill Wood with Discipline Trading Decisions. Time for the weekend update for the S&P 500. But first, trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Welcome to the weekend update for Monday, November 7th, 2016. We're covering the S&P futures, the E-mini market. So let's take a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we are in obvious uptrend, and we developed balance up in here. You can see that by the volume node here. We broke out of this balance on this month bar. It was on very low volume, and so it went nowhere. Now it's coming back into this area of balance. On the weekly, we developed this little balance area here, and on this past week, we broke out of this balance. So generally, what I'll look for is, the question is, are we starting a new downtrend? And this is the trend line that I'm following right here. So generally, what I will look for to see if we are starting a new downtrend is for it to break this trend line, stop somewhere in here, pull back, and then if we break this new level, then I'll consider that to be a new trend down, a change in trend. So where could we find support? Here's the 89 period moving average. It aligns with this Andrews pitchfork line, so that is my target right now, and we'll see if we get support. I'm not going to be taking a long here, but this is where I'm targeting my current positions. Just as of note, the 50% move, 50% from this move is right around 2,000. Okay, this is the daily chart. On the daily chart from this day, we have been one time framing lower without a pullback. And on this, you can see here that we have two very close lows. So I believe that this market is getting short. It may be getting too short, and I do expect a pullback soon. Couple caveats here. If you remember, that area I was talking about on the other chart was around 2060, 2061. The thing is, this previous low here, if we break below this low, there is not much structure in here, and it could just blow through this area very quickly, very fast. So I don't want to step in front of this train. It has stopped at the as of today, it has stopped at the 200 period moving average. On the market profile, you can see that we had balance in here. We broke down out of balance on this day. Since the 27th, we have one time frame lower. My question now is, are we getting too short? And of course, if everyone in the market is short, then there's nobody left to sell, and you get a short covering rally. Again, if we get below 2065, then you can find the market going down really fast. We'll see. If and when it does retrace, how far can it retrace? I don't know. If we start to get acceptance in this balance area up here, then generally the target is the opposite side of balance. So I don't know about that, but here's a couple of things to look at. Right here we have some anomalies here. Generally these type of things like to be repaired. And up here we have a poor high. Can it repair this high? I don't know. We just carry that information forward. We don't make any particular decisions on it. But if you do see it going up, then you know that may be the only purpose, is to correct these things here. So we'll see. Bottom line, I think we're due for a correction. My target is down around 2061. It may pull back before that happens. So if we get under 2065, I would be careful because it could just slice right through this area down here, because there's no real structure in here. So it could just fall right through that very quickly. So be careful. Again, on the weekly chart, we have broken trend. I'm not going to be buying down here, but I'm going to be watching for support somewhere down in here. And then from there, I'm going to see if we can retrace and get back up into this balance area, or if we roll over again, probably at the bottom of this balance area. If we roll over again and then break where the market stopped, then I'll consider this to be a new trend down. But until then, I'm just waiting for the retracement. Well, that's what I have. This Bill Wood, and if you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at disciplinedtradingdecisions.com, please go there now and check out our other resources. And while you're there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you can get videos like this sent directly to your inbox. And this is a reminder to trade according to your trade plan. Don't do what I do. You have to believe in your analysis in order to stay disciplined and true to your plan. Hey, I really appreciate your likes, comments, and shares. It all helps to get the word out. And remember, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.